Namaste. Welcome to our day 1 30-day challenge. Let's start with some neck movements. Bringing your neck to the shoulder, both sides. Try not to lift the shoulder. About 3 to 5 times. Back to the center, and then bring the neck forward and back. Forward, back. Forward and back. Then look to the side, to the right, far right, to the left, to the right, to the left, right, left. Neck rotation. Bring the chin down to the chest, to the right, up from left, back down, right, up from left, down, right, up, left, down. Other side, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, and down. Back to the center. Bring the hand on the ground. Then inhale, stretch your arms up, stretch your back, look up. Exhale down. Hand down, and you see if you can hunch the back. Does it feel good? Just stretch your back. So all the morning stiffness that we receive, it can go out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bring the hand onto your knees. Let's continue removing the stiffness from back. As you inhale, extend your chest out, arching your back. And as you exhale, hunch your back, bring your chin towards the chest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can do with the slower movements to see how you need to stretch the back to release any morning stiffness. Good. Back to center, and then rotation of the back. Continue to remove this stiffness by rotating forward, left, back, side, about 5 times on one side. Keep the breathing normal at this point. Another way around. And back to the center. Release and relax. Give about 10 seconds. Then gently open your eyes. Open your legs. Open your left leg. Then you can bring one hand on the shin bone. Right arm up, inhale. Exhale. And then bring the right hand on the ground. Left arm up. Exhale. Elbow remains on the ground. Try to keep your hip on the ground. Back to the center. Hand on the shin bone. Or you can bring it on the ground to see which works for you, whether your hand onto the shin bone or on the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. See if holding the shin work. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and back to the center. Chain the leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hand down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. If your elbow doesn't go on the ground, you can also keep your hand straight. Back to the center. Inhale, exhale. Back to the center. And join the sole of the feet together. Bring the feet slightly away from you. Bring the elbow on the ground, palm on the ground. Stay there. Let your hip work, back work, shoulders work, and make you ready for daily office work. And come back. Sit in Sukhasana or any comfortable seated posture where your back, neck, and spine remains straight. Focus onto your body for a moment and allowing yourself to be ready, to be present in whatever you're going to be doing today. Gently palm to the heart. Be grateful for having some time for yourself and be able to practice this sequence. Thanks and prayer pose. Namaste.